trees are snapping everywhere. Yeah. Oh, stop. Oh no. They're attacking it again. Jeez. Every single... Oh no. No, that's a terrible idea. No. He could have stayed on the tree. Good luck with that, my brother Shannon.
I can imagine all the splinters that we're gonna have on here.
Javi, you cannot lift him. You. No, he
So
can't.
you don't care about the splinters?
Nope. That's why I got a glove on.
Buddy, you just took your glove off.
Where'd he go? I don't got no glove.
Your one hand is bare, dude.
That's what you ought to have on.
Yo! Yo!